In this lesson, I'm going to talk about UDP setSoTimeout method. Because UDP protocol does not create a connection between the source and the destination in order to send or receive data, you can start the UDP client before you start the UDP server, and you won't get any error to inform you that the UDP server is down. For a TCP socket, an input-output exception is thrown when the client socket is not able to connect to the server socket. So, we need a mechanism to find out that the UDP server is not running or if the UDP packet was lost. Otherwise, the read method waits indefinitely for a datagram and you want to prevent the program to hang. Let's run our client. And you can see that the UDP client is waiting for a datagram. If we don't start the UDP server, the application will wait forever. An efficient way to find out that the UDP packet is lost or if the UDP server is not responding is to specify a waiting timeout. So the client has to wait for a period of time for the packet to arrive. If the packet does not arrive in the specified time interval, then the client should continue sending the other packets or it can exit. You can set a timeout on the connection using the setSoTimeout method. The method waits for a timeout period, and if it does not get any signal, it throws an exception. If I use setSoTimeout 3000, it is expected that socket will be closed after 3 seconds. The timeout is specified in milliseconds. Let's run again. And now you can see that the socket timeout exception has been thrown after 3 seconds and the application exits. Of course, you can use a loop here to send the packet for several times to be sure that the application exits because UDP server is down and not because a single datagram was lost. So timeouts are important for UDP because many problems that would cause an input-output exception in TCP silently fail in UDP.